Hello, my name is Nadine and I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about 7 ways that you can make a more cozy, inviting space in your kitchen. So number 1, you might want to consider adding a soft, cozy rug to your kitchen rather than just some padding that people like to use, kind of those runners that kind of seem more, I don't want to say sterile, but maybe a little bit. You can think about putting more of a cozy, colorful rug in your kitchen, maybe behind an island where you wash dishes, or even if you have a large space, you can put a larger rug there to make it more cozy and not seem so, like I said, sterile. The other thing that you can think about doing is warming up your space. If you're doing a kitchen renovation or if you're going to want to paint your cabinets, you can add color to your cabinetry. Maybe on the bottom, maybe do green or blue, something of that nature to warm it up, especially if you have white cabinetry or very light. Definitely adding the color there will really warm up the space. You can also consider using warm woods. Using warm woods or leather and textiles will definitely warm up your space as well, rather than stones and tiles that may seem a little bit cold. Now, using unkitcheny items in your space like plants and books, you can put a bookcase in your kitchen if you have the room for it, or a lot of people like to build an island that uses maybe one side of it as an open shelving, and you can put books there and things of that nature that will make it seem more like a library instead of a kitchen, and that might make it feel more warm and cozy for you too. The other thing that you want to consider is choosing your lighting in your kitchen carefully. So lighting is very important in a kitchen, and I've talked about that in other videos, but if you want to really cozy up your space, you might want to not use recessed lighting or too bright of lighting to make it seem more of like an operating room, and incorporate more lights that you would generally use in a living room or maybe in a bedroom, and that's going to really help that aesthetic as well. So you might want to also consider making a cozy spot in your kitchen. You can build a window bench, or you can get a table that has a bench on one side of it and incorporating some throw pillows there. I have also an example of that on another video where we were in a showroom and they actually had an island that had a built-in bench with a table, and again they used throw pillows there too, and it really helped warm and cozy up the space quite a bit. And something simple that you can really do to cozy up your kitchen is with some of your accents. They have some really beautiful, even flower printed canisters that you can use, or vases to hold your utensils and things like that, instead of using just a plain white, black, cream color. Consider a floral design, and that will really help cozy up that kitchen as well. So hopefully these 7 tips were helpful for you to make a cozier kitchen. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.